So today we're going to learn how to make a logo. So to make a logo, you can go to this website called canva.com, canva.com. Okay, and as you can see on the website of canva.com, there are many things that you can design. So go to the logo section here and click on the see all, and here you will find that there are many logos that are already pre-designed. So you can take your time and search through which logo that is most suitable for your company. Okay, there's no technical skills needed. It's just click drop and just type in. So let's say, for example, we like this one, right? Or let's take for example this one. So just click on it and all the thing will come out, and then you can edit your logo. So to type in your company name, just click on this thing here and just type in your company name. Let's say drinks company, and you can then type in maybe your slogan here, healthy life. So if you want to change this, you can just delete it. Just click delete. You can just delete the thing. You can even change the font of the word. You can change the font to a bold font or something like that. Or you can just change it to this one, Oswald. Yeah. Okay. So you can change the font, and you can have a simple logo right here. And once you are done with the logo, just click on the download button, download as a PNG so that it will have a transparent background. So PNG is good, and just click download, and it will download it to your computer, and there you have it. Your logo is there. Cheers.